So we're going on a boat cruise today. Our boat's coming in right now. I have to pee so bad, so I'm waiting to get on to go pee. Say hi.
Hi. So I got a sticker, rider sticker, and Pop Shop sticker. It's all.
Here comes the boat. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Besides North Island named Blair Station, the most iconic landmark on Coronado Island is the famous Hotel Del Coronado. Unfortunately for us, we don't get to see this famous hotel. The ship that found San Diego Bay back in 1642. The sailor that found San Diego Bay was Juan Rodriguez Cabrillo. The ship was built here in San Diego.
Things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. Up, down, on the I've been around before, rooftops, sliding doors. Just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be with somebody, spending all of the night moonwalking. And with the view she could see her building. Try to tell her I know.
Good morning, you guys. It's our last day here in San Diego. We're about to check out of our Airbnb, so we're just getting everything together and into the car. We don't have our flight. It's not till later this evening, so it's about to be 9 o'clock right now in the morning. Our flight's not till almost 8 o'clock at night, so we have like the whole day here, and we're not really sure what we're gonna do. We're gonna go out to eat for breakfast. Today is Easter, so happy Easter. And I don't know, we'll see what the day brings us, but I'm ready to go home. I had sunburn. Didn't really vlog face too much yesterday. It was kind of a bad day, so yep, let's get going. We're at a park. I think it's called Liberty Square or something. It's near the Naval area and the San Diego airport. Huh? Yeah. There was an airplane right there. Are you hiding from Dad? Ooh. Kind of like salt, yeah. You got it. Good job.